It's Thursday, March 16th, and I am not in my regular place because I'm going to try and show you highlight some of the garments that have been shared with us for the designer showcase, right? So our customer showcase, right? So this table here is mostly accessories and hats, but I just want to give you a quick glance. This is a great bandana cowl. We have mittens. Let me see, mittens. And then this, we have these gorgeous headbands, Fair Isle work. And then look at this. This is very cool. This is Madeline Tosh. This was the Christmas Advent calendar several years ago. Fantastic. This is the great hat, Tentacular, the Una Miso. I love this hat. It's sort of a cloche. Can turn up the sides. This is, let me walk around here just a minute. This is a neck cowl. Very cool. Great Rasta hat with a scarf underneath. And this beautiful lace shawl. And then I love this little sheepy hat. Then over here we have some more shawls. This beautiful shawl. Look at that. And we've got several. That great gray one done in Rios. This is the wingspan. Love that. This is done with sesame yarn, which is very cool. This is a beautiful giant wrap. Love it. Then this is our children's corner. This is our Little Red Riding Hood poncho. And look at these adorable baby sweaters. Oh my gosh, teeny tiny, but beautiful. Tiny, but beautiful. So happy. That's a hat and a sweater, the N3s. Very cool. And then over here, I'm just going to walk around and show you some sweaters. Look at that. Beautiful yellow. Look at the work, though. Bright. Gorgeous. This is a beautiful cardigan, long, done in, it looks like a Zooey or Zooey stripe, maybe. This is a cotton, cabled, gorgeous. Love this. This is a linen the pattern is from Dando. That's beautiful. Love this little vest. Love this cardigan here with the cables. This is a great top-down sweater. Look at this spectacular thing. This is pressed flowers that they are working on now, I think. Let me get it in the center. Is that not beautiful? Pressed flowers. Gorgeous. I'll show you the back. I mean, honestly. That, is a work of art. And then this one is beautiful. This is Uma, the Suri alpaca, run with a fingering wool. It's gorgeous. It's faced. The collar is faced. The cuffs are faced. And so is the hem. It's beautifully constructed. This one is gorgeous. It's called Early Bloomer. Super nice Fair Isle work. And this one is Morning Rituals with the big cable and the pockets. So it's not absolutely everything, but that's a lot of what we have, and I'm very proud of it. The girls, the women, everybody who contributed, thank you so much. And tomorrow, March 17th, it is St. Patty's Day. And remember, wear green tomorrow, come in, or wear green on Saturday. And both of those will get you a raffle ticket to win the potential Your Lucky Day basket full of $100 worth of goodies. So come in. It's important. It'll be so fun. Oh, we're going to have some, what are we going to have? We were going to have some cookies and some green punch. So not cookie, yeah, cookies, shortbread, and some green punch. So we'll figure it out. All right. Have a good evening, and come see this showcase and vote. And come in green tomorrow and Saturday. I'll see you then.